I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
Camper trailer build. Hey everyone, welcome back to AT Lifestyle and welcome to episode 3 of our camper trailer build series. If you haven't seen the first 2 episodes, jump down into the description. I'll put the links for those there. Give them a watch. That'll give you a bit of an idea as to what it's taken to get to this point of the build. So today on the build, we're essentially going to be using our 2 form ply sidewalls that we're going to cut out, and we're going to stick them onto the side of the camper trailer, and we're essentially going to skin it. So that'll kind of get us one step closer to being able to do all the cabinetry work and everything for the back, the galley, the kitchen, and then we can kind of keep moving on from there. So yeah, settle in, grab a beer, and yeah, enjoy the show. So the next step is we're going to get these boards up next to this frame. Now, because I'm just here on my own and we're doing this kind of one-man show style, the way we're going to do that is we're going to get some of this angle iron here. We are going to essentially clamp it down on there so that we can lift these boards up and get them clamped and generally put into place. And then what we'll do from there is we'll grab a pencil and we'll take an outline around the inside of this frame directly onto the wall panel board. So that'll give us an exact template that we can use to cut out, and we'll take it from there. Hey everyone, sorry for interrupting the video there. I just wanted to do this and say a massive shout out to everyone who has supported us and supported the channel so far. There's heaps of people who've done that so far, and heaps of people who help us out on a regular basis. If you want to see who they are, wait till the end of the video, and they're all shout outs to everyone there. If you're new to the channel or you're new to this video series, if you like what you see, the best thing I can get you to do is literally hit the like button and then hit the subscribe button as well. See, the way YouTube works is that they take a really close look at how many subscribers a channel has. And obviously, the more subscribers a channel has, the more things open up and the more we're actually able to do on the platform as creators. So yeah, if we can get some more subscribers on there, that allows us to do more for you guys, bring you better content, and yeah, it'll help us out immensely. So smash that subscribe button, and yeah, keep enjoying this awesome build series. Okay guys, so I made a bit of a screw up. I welded the flange in on this side before I'd measured and cut the wall panel like we did on this side. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer this wall panel over to the other side. The theory is that they should be reasonably similar. We'll see where we need to make changes and bits and pieces like that, and then we can use this wall panel as a template to cut the second one. Okay, seemed like we're pretty good for most of it. Most of the edges seem pretty good, Nick. We've just got to trim back. So on the next one, we've just got to trim back this side piece a little bit, because obviously we're not sitting quite flush. So we're not sitting into the channel there we need to. And then we need to make this end fractionally longer. So that's not too bad. We can make that happen. And now we've got to know what we're doing. don't know if you guys can see that, but we're still a fraction long. So we've gone a little bit too far with leaving some excess on that edge. So what we're going to do is we're just going to take it out, cut that little bit out, and we should be good to go. Okay guys, so that concludes our little video this time. If you liked what you saw, like and subscribe. Keep following us because we'll keep building on this. And yeah, we'll see how we go. Thanks again. See you next time.